This is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to begin, you will need to open Settings, then find and enter the Wi-Fi category to start with, since I will firstly show you how you can see your Wi-Fi data usage. Then tap at the three dots to your top right, go for more settings page. In here, enter the Wi-Fi data usage section, and here you have your general amount of data used, Wi-Fi data used this month. And if you will go for the data usage by app, you will also see access the detailed statistics on the data usage by app. On the other hand, if you would like to see your cellular or mobile data usage, get back to the main settings menu, then go for the mobile network category this time, open data usage page, and here you have your data usage through SIM 1 and SIM 2 respectively, as well as data usage by app section as well. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.